gonna have some pancakes and some scrambled eggs and some fruits. What kind of fruits do you want, Nick?
Me?
Yeah.
Banana and strawberry and apple.
Banana, strawberry, and apple.
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess you want a lot of fruits then. Huh? You want a lot of fruits.
No, I just found it.
So I guess you want a lot of fruits then.
Yeah, this was a very healthy.
Okay. I'll give you a lot of fruits, okay? Let's get like 2 cups of this.
Mommy, look what I found. Tiny stuff. I found tiny stuff on my channel.
Alright, let's make some pancakes. We're making pancakes. Yes, we're gonna make pancakes, okay? Do you want scrambled egg as well?
Yes.
We are making pancakes today. Pancakes and scrambled eggs.
And
Bananas.
strawberry, banana, apples.
No, not apples, grapes.
Grapes?
Yeah.
And apples too.
I didn't get any apples.
Apple, banana, apple,
Hi everyone, thanks for joining my live. Apple, banana. Okay, we'll eat the apple. The weather? Is it?
I love the strawberry.
Yeah, I'll get you strawberry later, okay?
Then,
I'll make the pancakes first, then I'll get you strawberry, okay? Stop us slow.
so fast.
So hi, Piper. Very small. Oh yeah, we're gonna make this soybean milk. Put some butter. Well, the pumpkin's been up. Give me some fruits. So we're gonna prepare some apples, bananas, grapes. Yeah, I'll give you that, okay? Okay. You want apple, banana, and strawberry? Okay. Yeah, apple, banana, and strawberry. Okay. Banana, apple, and strawberry.
Yeah.
Okay. You'll get that. So the pancake batter will sit for 2 minutes. Once it's fluffy like this, then it's gonna make nice pancakes. Meanwhile, let's wash these fruits off. Oh, okay. So after breakfast, we'll make that. Put it on the common sugar. Why my horse? Need some water. Huh? Drinking water. Yeah, I think I'm forced. This part can hold like 3 pancakes at a time. Or water inside. Washed.
在干嘛？你们可以用。When is spring break? Second week of
March.
March.
Okay. Jump the button left, right. Yes, I'll give you banana, strawberry, and apples, okay? Yes. Why are you knocking that thing? You're knocking the remote.
对，换款。
Yeah, but you don't knock it. You're gonna break it.
If
you knock it, it's gonna be broken. Yeah, but put it down. Don't knock it. You knock it, then you don't have any more. Kicks in.
Okay, vamos.
Just wait. Give it to
啊，
me.
另外一个去哪里了？
It's on the sofa.
那你去捡出来啊。
I like the apple donut.
Yes, I'll give it to you, okay?
I like the apple donut. Blah,
You want apple, strawberry, and banana?
I like the strawberry. Blah. I like the strawberry.
Morning, Jordan. What's up, Happy Sunday?
I like the apple.
Just making some breakfast.
I like the apple. Strawberry.
You want banana?
I'll go.
Apple, strawberry.
The apple. Strawberry. I'll go.
You want a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I like the apple. Strawberry. Blah.
Okay.
I like the apple. I like the egg. I'll go. I like it. I like I'll go. I'll go.
Okay.
Yes, I want hot chocolate.
You want hot chocolate?
Yeah, I like the egg. I'll go.
Did you?
Daddy, I like the egg. I'll go.
Yes, I'll boil the water and make it for you, okay?
I like the I'll go.
You want hot chocolate?
No, I want hot chocolate.
You want chocolate? You want chocolate?
Mana? Pakai.
Drop. Cut some butters.
Don't close it. That is cooking. Why are you closing it? Why?
One thing with this one, you have to get the temperature right and then for it to make the perfect. Right. If the temperature is not right, it's gonna be off. Alright, that should be good enough. There we go. One thing I like with these bigger pots, we can make a lot of pancakes. I'm Mr. Fiji. Happy Sunday, everyone. Thanks for joining my live. fruits. Making some breakfast. So I have some strawberries, some grapes, bananas. Yeah, please guys, like the lives, please.
不要再拉他，他不喜欢。哎，不要打人，不要打回去了。你看体育习惯做好，他不要做了。猜什么猜？没有礼貌。
I want to do story, blah, they go.
Yeah, I'll give it to you, okay?
I want to story, blah, they go.
Okay, no problem.
I want to they go, story. I want to they go, story.
Careful. Yeah, send them on and breakfast in the kitchen, you know? Or you guys eat in the morning. Just preparing some strawberries now. You want grape?
Yeah.
There you go. Perfect. Okay, don't come too close to the stove. I don't want stuff to burn you, okay? Let's add first. Okay, let's add one more pancake in the pot. Small one. Yeah? Yes, I'll give it to you soon. Just give me a moment, okay? Let me quickly finish breakfast. These bananas are so pretty. Look at them. Yeah, these bananas are very nice. I'll give it to you soon. Just give me a moment. Don't stand too close to the stove. Yes, I'll give it to you soon. Can you go where mommy is? And Nicholas? When I'm finished, I'll call you, okay? Yes, when I'm finished, I'll call you, okay? Yes, when I'm finished, I'll call you, okay? Yes, when I'm finished, I'll call you. Yes, you'll be the first person I'll call, okay? Yes, you'll be the first person I'll call, okay? Yes. Yes, but you need to let me finish first. Can you stand that side, please? I don't want stuff to burn you, okay? When I'm finished, I'll call you, okay? Thank you guys for joining my live. If you're just joining, please give me a like. Don't stand so close to the stove, please. There you go. Here's banana. There you go. Got it? Step banana from the stove. Thank you. No, I don't use one.
Love you.
Yes.
No, I you. No, I you.
You don't want to wait?
Hmm?
You don't want to wait?
Hmm?
You don't want to wait?
Hmm?
Here you go. Okay, that's for you now. Alright, these are washed now. I was gonna make some apples, but I'm not. Goes to the side, and it's got one more right there. A little piece of butter. So this is the fruits. We have some strawberries, bananas, and some grapes. Just put that aside right there. We're making some pancakes. Put this aside. Let's prepare some eggs. We're gonna have some scrambled eggs. One more right there. This one thing in this one is very big, so it can have a lot of stuff inside at the same time. It's right there. Meantime, let's prepare the eggs. Right, so here I have some washed eggs. Already washed your eggs, guys. Those things can have a lot of bacteria. Okay. A little bit of salt. Not too much. Oh, this is only a little. Just finish that. Yes, almost finished. A little bit water. Mix it up. Here. A little bit water. Just mix it all up.
No.
Mom, run inside the kitchen,
This
please.
is my remote.
Give him the remote. No playing this side, please. Thank you.
I want double.
If you play this side, the stuff will burn you. You don't
I
want to get
want
hurt.
double.
I'll give it to you soon. Don't do that.
No,
No, no.
no, I want it.
No, you're not supposed to do that. That's very rude.
No, I want
I
it.
will bring it to you soon, okay?
No, I want it.
No,
Why?
you're not supposed to do that.
No, I want it.
No, don't do that.
Why?
No, that's rude. You can't put your hands on stuff that other people are going to eat.
Oh, because is this?
Yes, I'll quickly give you breakfast, okay?
Like this?
I'll quickly give you breakfast, okay?
This?
Yes, soon. Not yet.
Why?
Not yet. It's rude if you eat before other people or put your hands in it. No, no. You're gonna knock it over.
Why?
If you do that, it's gonna fall over. You want it to fall over on you? So don't do that, okay? You want water? Okay, I'll give it to you soon. Put it aside. Yeah, put it aside. I'll give it to you soon, okay? Hey, hey, hey. Don't do that. Yeah, that needs. It's a roadblock. Oh, trying to go over straight. No, you're not supposed to do that. Just give me a moment. I'm almost finished, okay? Okay, I'm not gonna make any more pancakes after this, and then I'm gonna give you your breakfast, okay? Huh? Hey, no, don't touch that. Okay, this one I'm not gonna make any more pancakes. I'm gonna give it to you, okay? I'm gonna scramble the egg and give you the banana. Give you the breakfast. Yes, I'm gonna make the egg and give you your breakfast, okay? Yes. Yes. You don't wanna wait, so I'm gonna get you your breakfast, okay, sir? Okay, I'm gonna get you your breakfast, okay? Give me 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. This one is finished, I'm gonna do the egg and give you your breakfast, okay? Yes, I'll give you everything, don't worry. Yes, I'm gonna give it to you. He doesn't wanna wait on me. Yes. You're very impatient. No, I'll wait on you. I'm serious about you. It's a hungry man's an angry. But I guess he's angry. You want milk?
Yeah.
I'll get you some milk, okay? Excuse me.
I want to put again.
Yeah, can you help me to set the table? Can you go and set the table?
Okay.
Set the table, okay? Alright, let's get this one out of the way. A little bit oil. Swipe out the butter. I don't like when the egg tastes like butter. For some reason, I don't like it. I'm not gonna wash the pot, I'm just gonna wipe it out. Mix. It's hot though. Don't try this at home, you burn your fingers. Cram back. Okay. Why be patient with me? Thank you everyone for joining the live as well. Thanks everyone for joining the live. Here, you sit in the table?
Yeah.
Good job.
He's not.
He is. He is sitting at the table, I saw it.
哎，不要吵架，等下你摔下来了。
Careful.
把电视关掉。是要吵架吗？去吵架。不能早上再看了。
Why are you guys fighting? Fighting to sit at the table.
3、2。
No fighting.
OK，等一下就不要看电视了。
Daddy, I'm all finished.
It's fine, let him do it. Oh, it's almost. What's wrong? I'm making your breakfast, okay? This must say cheek. Fix your face. Do not put your hand inside the food. That's rude. Do not come here with that nonsense. I'm not gonna accept that. Yes, I'm gonna give you a breakfast, but don't come here being rude.
No.
That's not gonna work over here.
I want to eat.
Yes, I'm gonna give it to you.
I want to eat 100 pancakes.
100.
Yeah.
Be careful what you wish for.
I was just,
I'm not gonna have the black pepper than just because they don't need it.
I was just kidding you.
Kidding me. Kidding yourself.
Huh?
You're kidding me. Excuse me. Don't play that.
I didn't believe it.
When they come out bad farmers, they want a breakfast. So let me give it to them. Get them in your smaller pieces. This side, get them some fruits. Hey guys, stop fighting. Yes, sir. This is their fruits, some bananas.
10 pancakes.
How much pancakes?
10. I want to eat drink hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate? Well, if you want to eat your chocolate, you need to give me a moment. You need to wait.
You just want to read me the milk.
Yeah, wait. If you want to eat hot chocolate, you need to wait, okay?
With a little bit milk inside.
Yeah, but that's different. But that's what I'm saying. You can drink the milk now and later you can still have hot chocolate afterwards.
I want to drink the milk now. I want to drink the milk.
Give me a moment. Yeah, I'm gonna give you the milk now, okay? Yo, can you help me? Leave that before it falls off.
No, why don't you guys?
You don't need to be there right now.
I want to drink some milk.
Yes, I'm gonna give you. Excuse me. What are you doing? Be careful. Joe, can you help me? Give it to them. Excuse me. Put it down there. Put it down there. Excuse me. Excuse me.
That's 8. Mom.
Go, mommy has this stuff. Mommy has this stuff.
Let's go, mommy. Go, mommy. I eat chicken.
那个卫生纸那个抹布刚才以前的，
啊？
那个软的确实
这个。
会传
我不知道那个在哪里。
And I keep a little bit milk for my hot chocolate.
Here you go.
And I keep a little bit milk for
Here
my
you go.
hot chocolate.
Okay.
Mommy,
Here's the pancake syrup, Joe. Okay, ready for the.
I already keep a little bit.
Okay. Whoa. Where are you going? Okay, there. Then sure everyone gets their breakfast.
What? And what?
Yes, sons and wife get their breakfast. Yeah. What kind of tea do you want? Coffee? There you go. Oh, sorry. Didn't I ask you? You told me you wanted that. I didn't give you any? Give me the plate. Don't walk and eat. It'll fall over.
I'm not walking.
Okay.
I want the water.
There you go.
She's going
It's hot. Be careful, okay?
No.
Breakfast is ready. Alright, everything is finished.
I want to put on
You want what? You want what? Because you want to use a lot, right? That's why you're saying that. Right, that's it for breakfast. This is what we're having. Scrambled egg pancakes, strawberry, banana, and grapes.
That's rumbling.
Thanks, sir.
That's my dad's channel. You started to
What? Right, that's it. Thanks for joining my live, everyone. Until next time.